There are some places in the world that are too magical to be real. Here are some breathtaking locations on Earth that are so enchanting, it's almost hard to believe that they are real. So, in this video, we are going to recover some of the best places on the Earth. Number one, Antelope Canyon. Welcome to Antelope Canyon, a breathtaking natural wonder nestled in the heart of Arizona, known for its stunning, swirling sandstone formation and vibrant, ever-changing light beams that pierce through the narrow passage. This enchanting slot canyon is a photographed dream, carved by the relentless forces of nature over centuries. Each twist and turns reveal a mesmerizing palette of reds, orange, and purples that seems almost otherworldly. Join us as we explore the captivating beauty of Antelope Canyon, where every step feels like stepping into a living of work art. So, number two, Road in Moab. Utah, USA. Welcome to the Moab, Utah, a paradise of adventure seekers and nature lovers alike, known for its breathtaking scenery and iconic red rock formations. They rode here with through some of the most stunning landscape in the American Southwest. Picture yourself cruising along the scenery byways with towering cliffs on the side and vast canyons on the other. As you explore the wonder of Arches and Canyonlands National Park, whether you are hiking to delight or of taking a thrilling off-road trip through the backcountry, every turn unveils a new vista that feels like something out of a dream. Join us as we journey through Moab, where the road is the beginning of an unforgettable adventures. Number 3, the desert meets the ocean in Namibia. Welcome to the breathtaking landscape of Namibia, where the West Namib Desert meets of roaring Atlantic Ocean, a subtle fusion of sandy dunes and azure waves. Picture yourself driving along the scenic coastal roads where towering golden dunes cascades into the sea, creating an otherworldly backdrop from the haunting beauty of Skeleton Coast on the vibrant wildlife at Cape Cross. This unique intersection of a desert and ocean offer endless opportunity for exploration and adventures. Join us as we travel this stunning stretch of land where every turn reveals nature remarkable artistry and whispers of ancient stories waiting to be uncovered. Number 4, Electric Sunset, Turks and Caicos Island. Welcome to Turk and Caicos, where every evening transforms into a stunning electric sunset as the sun dips below the horizon. The sky ignites with brilliant hues of pink, orange, and purple reflecting off the crystal clear waters and creating a breathtaking spectacle. Picture yourself lounging the salt, poverty, and grace bay cocktail in hand as the world around you bathes in the magical glow. Where you are watching from the beachside resort of a cozy seaside restaurant, the sunset here are not just a visual feast, they are unforgettable experience. They capture the scene, the essence of island life. Join us as we celebrate the enchanting beauty of electric sunsets into a tropical paradise. Number 5, Wetemo Glowworm Cave, New Zealand. Welcome to the enchanting Wetemo Glowworm Caves in New Zealand, a magical subterranean world where nature's wonder will come alive as you glide through the serene, dark water of the cave system. You will be surrounded by a thousand of tiny glowworms. They are bioluminescent light, creating a stunning celestial display that feels like floating through a starry night sky. The unique ecosystem formed over millions of years reveal breathtaking electrics and stalagmites, offering a glimpse into the artistry of nature. Join us this unforgettable journey in the depths of Vetamo, where the glows of these tiny creatures transform darkness into the breathtaking